the little Mumbai, be it staying in PGs or, pani ka problem, the water supply issue, giving thousands of auditions. So it's basically the entire journey of how she stays true to her morals and doesn't, compromise in any way. She never chooses the wrong path to achieve what she wants. अपने दम पे अपने बलबूते पे वो कैसे अपनी dreams को achieve करती है. That's what Pari is all about. Hi Karan
So,
Bhaiya, how are you? Yes.
so where can fans watch you in this new show and tell us how was the shooting experience?
The shooting experience was amazing. The series is now available on Wow app, Wow Original, so you can go and check that out. Uh, I guess it was a very fun shoot, I would say. In a short span of time, the entire team became like a family, and we had scenes where we were exploring Mumbai. So we had 2 3 days, but we were just touristing, having fun, and the camera was just capturing us. So we didn't even feel like we were shooting, and the entire cast and crew was so good, so warm and welcoming, and best at their work, I would say. So it was an amazing experience overall.
And when is it releasing and where can we see you in this show?
Pari Hume has already been released on the 14th of November. So you can go and check it out. It's now available on Wow Originals, both on the App Store as well as the Play Store. Give your love, watch it, and I hope you love Pari Hume and my character Pari as much as if you all love my previous characters.
सो अशनोर आप बताइए कि ये रोल प्ले करते करते लाइक was it similar to your initial days in Mumbai while looking for roles? How where do you draw similarities?
See, it was relatable to some extent, but I won't say I struggled as much because I was here with my family and I didn't shift to Mumbai because I wanted to act. Shifted here because of dad's job and things just turned out the way they have. And I would say destiny just pulled me towards itself. But yes, facing rejections, giving auditions like it's shown in this web series, I guess every actor does face that, especially in their initial days when they are not established. And when I was a child back then, my mom used to accompany me everywhere. She still does. She used to take me directly from the school. We used to go give audition hota tha. And I feel that's absolutely all right because that's kind of a part and parcel of the profession that you've chosen, right? Thousands of people come every day to Mumbai, face it eventually if they're passionate enough and they work hard, they achieve what they want.
We have a lot of fan questions asking कि आपने कौन से subjects लिए हैं 12th के बाद? I had to
So
ask you.
my 12th is already done actually. I had taken commerce in my 12th, and now for my graduation, I've chosen BA MMC, which is Bachelor of Arts in Multimedia and Mass Communication.
So there's your answer for those who have been asking. Shnur, Ashwin, tell us how was the shooting experience like during the pandemic? मतलब कितना like were there any inhibitions? कैसे time पे बाहर जाके काम करना and all?
So actually, I've already shot for a few music albums. I was also traveling and stuff. So this was not my first project after the lockdown. But yes, shooting during the lockdown was indeed risky because we were hearing news every day, and we all knew the kind of risk that we are taking. But we were still doing that because we wanted to make this project. And we took all our precautions though. Everybody on the set, the entire unit, we wore masks at the times when we actors didn't have to come on screen, even we were wearing masks. Everything was sanitized and everything was taken care of. And with all the safety precautions, we shot, and not a single person was infected by the COVID virus during the shoot.
और घर में क्या precautions लेने को बोला था while you were stepping out to work once again?
Sorry.
घर से क्या क्या precautions लेने के लिए बोला था like were your parents concerned कि you will be resuming shoot once again?
And definitely they were concerned, and either my mom or dad, one of my parents, did accompany me during the shoot as well. Uh, Very basic precautions ki dhyan rakhna when you're not shooting. Wear your mask, don't get lazy, sanitize everything, and all all these things. The way uh, the guidelines have been given to us by the government and the authorities, all of that was again repeated at me कि ये करना है याद से ये मत भूलना, don't get lazy and follow the precautions. So all of these things I got to hear before I actually stepped out and went on photo shoot.
So, working experience in TV and now आप web digital platform explore कर रहे हो. Did you find any difference in the like while working on a new platform?
Yeah, definitely. There's a huge difference. I would say this was very different, not only in terms of performance, but also in terms of the execution, the realistic approach, the looks that we had. Uh, so it was different, and I got to learn a lot from kind of working in this web space. क्योंकि इतने सालों से जब टीवी किया है, I guess this break was very much needed to kind of break that monotony.
So क्या आप अभी और वेब प्लेटफॉर्म में एक्सप्लोर करोगे या will we get to see you on TV as well?
I've taken a little break from TV for now. I'm focusing on web now, or maybe good films with a strong script and a strong character. So let's see how it goes. But basically, I've
और
just
आप
taken a break to kind of prepare myself for the upcoming projects because I'm like in this transition phase from a teenager to an adult now. So I just want to prepare myself in that way and just focus on my art and the craft and my physical appearance, my look and everything, and then just come back with something concrete.
So in between, are you taking a break to transition, like look wise and craft wise, or like do we see you in back-to-back projects?
No, no. I've taken a break. Short-term projects, yes, maybe a day's project, or maybe the music albums that I've been doing. Because as an artist, you can't just sit at home and do nothing. You always have to keep on doing something. Otherwise, you feel really empty. But yes, nothing concrete as of now because I'm under preparation.
And when talking to you, Patiala Babes की बात ना करे तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. We have so many questions on Patiala Babes. We saw a reunion video also last month. You guys celebrated.
Right.
So tell us, how was that party? उनके साथ अभी भी कैसा connection है आपका?
We are a family, yaar. I mean, during the reunion, we met almost after 1.5, 2 years, but it didn't feel like that because it was just that we picked, we were all so close and so warm, and we were remembering the old days and the jokes we used to crack, and people were still cracking the same jokes. Uh, they were teasing me with how I'm still on a diet and stuff like that, and they're eating in front of me. So it was a very, very I would say a memorable time for me back then when we were shooting, and now that we had a reunion, it was just that all the memories got refreshed.
And we see so many reels of you. आजकल reel का जमाना है. All these dance videos with Siddharth, Samriddhi and all. Tell us, how do you guys plan? कितना time लेके rehearse करते हो? How do you guys come up with the ideas?
No, no, we don't actually meet to create content. I mean, we all live in the same society. Me, Subhi, Samriddhi, Chinky Pinky, me, Siddharth, Jannat, Chinky Minky, Faisal, all of us are in the same building. So we keep on meeting, we chill, we meet. Once in a blue moon, अगर हमारा मन किया, then we're like, अरे ये ring बनानी क्या, it's trending. Let's do that. Okay, let's do that. So it's just like very spontaneous. So we meet to chill, but अगर mood was, so we meet a reel or something like that.
Ashra, you would want to answer some of your fans
Yeah, sure, sure.
story. I'll also check for the questions. A fan has asked, it's me, Biba Ahmed has asked, when are you coming to Bangladesh?
When am I coming to?
Bangladesh. Are you traveling?
Bangladesh, no plans as of now coming to Bangladesh, but I guess hopefully soon because my best friend, is going to do her graduation over there and she's traveling over there in Jan. So I might as well come to surprise her next year or something. I don't know.
Another question. Manasa Lokesh 2021 has asked, will Patiala Babes come back?
Um, I don't know. I don't think so because there's no news as such. It's almost been 2 years since it's gone off air, and there's no plan for it to come back as of now.
So, Ashnoor, tell us, like you are saying that you want to transition now from teenager to adulthood. Web platform maybe. Are you looking for like elderly role scripts?
No, no, not elderly roles. Roles of my age, roles of a young adult. Why I'm 17, so roles around my age. I don't want to, show myself that I've matured and stuff. But yes, I'm just saying that in this transition phase, as in, when you're a teenager, you have that baby fat and you look like a kid. But now that it's time for me, I'm almost an adult now. So now that it's time for me to come up in proper lead grown up roles, I should be prepared for that. That's what I mean by the transition.
So, are you following any particular diet or regime to get into a particular look?
Yeah. I have been working out, but it's kind of terminated that for a while, or I would say restricted that up to quite some extent because of the hand. But yes, I'm following my diet and all of that stuff is going on. I'm watching movies that I wanted to watch, polishing my craft as well, and also learning more about our industry, which is the course that I've taken up for my graduation.
We have another fan question from Swati. How are you managing studies and work?
Studies and my
Work.
my work. The way I've been managing it ever since. Yeah, I mean, when it's time for me to study, I study, and when it's time for me to work, I work. I don't mix up the two things, which is why I guess when I'm doing a certain thing, I do it with efficiency, because I'm not distracted by the other things that are pending for me to do. So that way, I guess it just kind of balances out, and I just go about it.
Am I audible, Ashnoor?
Yes, now you are wonderful.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Ashnoor, you have like a whopping 8.2 million followers on your social media account. Do you feel responsible of like what you're putting across on social media, the roles you are playing?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you clearly. Amma?
Hi, am I audible now?
Yeah. Better now, better now. Yes.
Yeah. So,
8.2 followers on
you
social
have
media,
eight.
and
I think we are losing connection. Is it okay now?
I can hear
Can you
you.
hear
Can you
me?
hear me? Yes,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can.
yeah.
Yes.
So, Ashnoor, with 8.2 million followers, like, do you feel responsible of what you are putting on your social media profile, the kind of work you are doing? Do you feel that ये post करूँ, ये post ना करूँ, and all of that? Like, do you
Um,
filter out things?
See, there is a thought process before I put out anything, and there is a sense of responsibility. But I never let it get converted into stress. So responsibility here, and I'm aware that I have a certain number of people who are following me, and my content is kind of impacting them in some way or the other. But then because I never put up anything that has to be like thought a lot about before actually putting it up. So I keep it easy, I keep it fun, and I keep it more about just loving yourself, being who you are, and being happy.
Ashwin, I remember the last time I asked you about reality shows, you were like, पहले मैं adult हो जाऊँ, फिर मैं सोचूंगी. So
Yes.
now, what's your take on it? Are you
I'm still
ready to
not an
participate?
adult. I'm still 17. So maybe the next interview that we have next year in 2022 after May, then I might be able to answer this question.
Okay. Let me see. Like there are. When will you come to movies? Bhavin Karmoor.16 has asked.
When I'll get a good, promising script with a strong character, definitely.
Avneet has backed a Bollywood movie. Like, did you get
Yes,
to speak to?
right. So what's the question?
Did you get to speak to her? Congratulate her
Did
and
I get
all?
to speak to her? Yes, yes, I did congratulate her, and I'm really happy for her. She's backed a really nice project, and I wish her all the very best. Uh, and may she rock it as she usually does.
You all are a very close knit group. Like, how do you girls like with all of them like spend time? क्या करते हो आप लोग जब मिलते हो साथ में?
Well, honestly, after the lockdown, हमारी parties and मिलना जुलना थोड़ा कम हो गया है because obviously everybody's at their home, they're taking their precautions. But yes, for those of the friends who are in the same society like us over here, we just chill. So basically, we meet, we don't talk about work, we talk about everything else except for work, and that's how we actually spend time. And I also feel that's why we are such a close-knit circle because we never let this sense of insecurity about work come between us. So we meet, we chill like normal friends, we gossip, we crack jokes, pull each other's leg, and just have a good time.
Ashnur, we have another fan question. Swati Tile 60. How was your experience while working in ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है? अभी तो नया सीजन भी आ गया है ये रिश्ता का.
Right,
Uh,
right.
did you have to take a look? देखने का टाइम मिला and if you can
Yes,
share.
I did watch some of the glimpses on social media because I feel when it started, there were a lot of people tagging me from Ye Rishta and the younger Akshara who just came, ki, the similarity between look and stuff. So it was really, it was kind of nostalgic for me to see that people still remembered me from a show that I did years ago and they, still have me in their mind as that character. So it was very heart-touching for me, and I just hope ki this new lead, this new season that Ye Rishta has taken is as it has all the previous seasons and all the previous years that the show has been running.
Okay. So, Ashok, from a web show, how was it working with Delnaz Irani, Jitin Lalwani? How was the shoot experience with them? Can tell us.
Oh, they are both sweethearts. So they are the most down-to-earth, adorable people that I've met. Jiten sir was like this powerhouse of our set. So, whenever he used to come on set, he used to crack jokes, everybody used to laugh. And, the environment used to get so energetic that I gave him the pet name as being the mitochondria of our unit. So, full of power always. And Delna's is super sweet. Honestly, I was a little nervous when I got to know that, she's playing my mother and I'm going to be shooting with her because she's, of course, really senior. To my surprise, the day I had to shoot with her, she came to my vanity and I was like, "Oh, hi, Delna's ma'am." And she was like, "No, beta, don't call me ma'am, call me Delu." So that was really sweet of her. And I remember telling her that I love chicken. And the very next day, she got her own handmade chicken for me. So that was a very, very sweet gesture. And we had a great time shooting. We were like actually a family off screen.
Ashok, I have to ask you, like, since you are such a close-knit family with the team of Patiala Babes, were you affected when the show went off air since it was doing so well?
Definitely, it did. And what hurt the most was we shot our last day and we didn't know it was about to be our last day because the show got off air and we got the news during the lockdown. On the last day of shoot, we were like, चलो अभी क्योंकि ना उस time we just had a 7 to 10 days ban on shooting. So we were like, चलो 7 days chill करेंगे घर पे आराम से मिलते हैं 10 days बाद and all of that. We're talking in that sense. So we made a WhatsApp group for those 7 to 10 days. We'll just keep on checking each other's health and seeing if anybody has a symptom, just for a moral support to show that we are far apart, we are in our homes, but we're still closely knit. And then suddenly came the news that we're never going back on that set. So that was, of course, heart touching. We were all impacted by it. And I guess that was a show that has been really, really close to my heart out of all the shows that I've done. So it did affect me as well. But I guess time heals everything, and with time, we all just move on. Even though those memories will always be with me, but I guess we should just be happy that it happened and not be sad that it ended.
And we have many questions asking that when will you work with Saurabh Raj Jain again?
I hope soon. He's a great friend, a great person, and of course, a great actor, as we all know. And I hope to work with him soon. We always plan ki, maybe some music album, something, but I don't know, things just never click. But I hope soon. I hope it happens soon. I would love to.
Ashur, tell us, like, how would you describe your journey from a child artist to a grown-up actress? How do you look back at your journey so far?
I look back at it as a roller coaster ride, I would say. Yeah, I started from like the very beginning, and there were always ups and downs, there were twists and turns. At times, things were very surprisingly, uh, you know, portrayed, and things just turned out very differently. At times, they were positive, at times, they were negative. But I guess with time and with the number of projects, I kept on learning, I kept on climbing one ladder at a time, and I'm looking to climb many more in the future.
And like, with so many inspiring actors, would you like to share any experience with them that made you like uh, pull out of your bad experience?
Mm, Honestly, I've never had a bad experience. I've touched wood all the shows that I've done and all the projects that I've done. I've always taken good memories. So there's never been anything that I would want to forget or something. So that way, I've been lucky, I would say. And all the co-actors as well that I've worked with, I've got to learn something very precious and valuable from each one of them.
Uh, Ashnu, while doing a Mother's Day story with you previously, your mother had said that you are a big time foodie. So now that you are on a particular diet and particular regime, how difficult is it for you to stay away from good food?
पूछो मत अत्याचार but yes, it is difficult, yeah. But I want to achieve a particular body type, a particular physique, and for that, I'll have to compromise on things, and that's okay.
And what is your favorite food?
I love desserts, so I have like a big sweet tooth. So अगर आप मेरे सामने, you'll keep pizzas, burgers, I won't be very tempted. But when you keep sweets in front of me, I'm like, okay, just a bite. So that's how my inner emotions at times overpower my mindset. But I'm trying that they don't.
Uh, Let me see if there are more fan questions.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we have a question on your movie you did with Tapsi and Vicky Kaushal in
Yes.
Man Marzi, and Abhishek Bachchan also. Do they
Yes.
inspire you as actors? How what tips did you get from
Definitely.
them?
So I've seen Tapsi Dee, she's very focused. So like when she's working, she's just working. She won't think of anything else. And there's nothing around her. So that way, I really liked her focus. I really like Abhishek sir's attitude. He's so down to earth. I remember the first day he had come to shoot with us. We'd already shot a few scenes, and then we had Abhishek sir enter. Uh, so हम ना ऐसे गली में शूट कर रहे थे, and the other team members were like, "Sir, आपका अंदर खाना लगा देते हैं." And he's like, "No, no, it's okay. I'll sit here." He sat outside in the gully. We had people staring at him, but he was so comfortable, so chill, and I was just going for my shot from the same paths, and he just looked at me. He smiled and he was like, "Hi, I saw your scenes at the edit. You're so good." And I was like, "Thank you, sir." So that way, I really liked his attitude. And Vicky Bhaiya is something different. I mean, we had so much fun on the set. He used to tease me like his younger sister. He used to nudge me, pull my leg, and we had a great time. I love his versatility and passion towards his work. I remember one scene when he just had to, be very happy and approach our house. So we were shooting in this actual gully, and he was actually picking up kids over there. He was dancing with aunties, and he was just so into the mood that I was like, wow, he's amazing.
And all these memories, are you looking forward to experience more such memories?
Definitely, I am.
And we have fans asking, when are you coming to Delhi? Up Delhi, like they have seen you travel to Delhi quite a lot of times.
Right. Yeah, I have my family in Delhi, so I keep on traveling to Delhi, and at times to work as well. So no plans as of now because I guess I just recently gone to Delhi a few months ago. So I met my entire family. तो इस साल का quota हो गया. Mostly next year.
And from all Ashnur fans, they want a message for all the Ashnurians.
Well, Ashnurians, मैं क्या ही बोलूं, मैं जितना बोलूं उतना कम है. And as I always say that I'm a fan of my fans, and I stick by that. So thank you so much for all the love, all the edits. I guess if there's any other love after the love of a mother, that has to be the love of the fans because it's unconditional love. They don't expect anything, and you know, we don't even know that who they are personally, but they just love us out of, admiration and affection. And I guess that's the purest form of love anybody can experience. And I'm blessed to have all the Ashnorians, all my fans and well wishers in my life because wherever I am today, uh, there's a huge credit that goes to them. So, love you all.
With so many fans and love pouring from all around, does it at times get overwhelming?
No, no, it doesn't.
And any such fan moment you would want to share?
Okay, so there's this fan of mine. His name is Kalidas, and he's been my fan since I was 7 years old, back when I was doing Bole Tumna Maine Kuch Kaha. And he cuts a cake on every birthday. He'll keep the God idols, pray to God. Uh, 2 years ago, when I was shooting for Patiala Babes, okay, so he's from South India and he doesn't know how to speak English and Hindi. Okay, so he has this language issue. uh, 2 years ago on my birthday, he comes to Mumbai without having any contact, without knowing where am I, where would he find me, just to meet me on my birthday. And 2 days later, like 2 days after my birthday, he somehow found my production house's address. He reached there, he came on set, met me, and he was shivering. He had a flower from the temple of his hometown. He got it for me, and when mom asked him where was he since 2 days, because he had this language issue and he didn't know where to go, he was like, "Ma'am, railway station." And mom was like, "Food? Ma'am, no food, no sleep. Cut cake on railway station, a snow, ma'am, birthday. Now I'm here, I'm happy." And I had goosebumps. I was like, oh my God. I was actually speechless at that time. Even when I'm saying this now, I'm getting goosebumps. So this is one moment that I would always remember.
How sweet. So, any project like soon after Pari Hume, fans will get to see you?
There's a music album that's lined up that will hopefully release this month itself. It's gonna come with Shantanu that I recently shot. We shot it in Haridwar, so that's in the pipeline.
Okay, Ashnu, now we are going to play a short game.
Okay,
Okay, it's called This or That.
okay,
So it's a rapid fire. We'll give you option. Two options will give you. Just select which you like.
all right.
So fans, get ready. We are going to play This or That with Ashnu Kaur. So first question is chai or coffee,
Coffee,
mountain or beaches,
beaches.
late night or early morning call time.
I hate both of them. I like a decent 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock call time so that at least I get my space to prepare.
Cats or dogs,
Dogs. Ziggy, I have Ziggy. I'm a big time. Actually, out of all animals, but then if given a choice to choose, I'll definitely choose dogs because I've always been so fond of them. Ziggy, come. Ziggy, say hi. Say hi to everyone. Ziggy, Ziggy, say hi, baby. That's my dog. He's just 5 months old, but he's grown up so quickly. आया था इतना सा था, and now look at him. He's huge.
so
Go.
adorable.
Yes.
So he takes the most of your time when
Yeah,
you are
yeah,
at
yeah.
home.
He's the pampered child now. Initially, like before him, I was the only child and the only pampered one, of course. जब से ये आया ये लाडला बना हुआ है घर का. तो अगर मैं छोड़ती हूँ मम्मा पकड़ लेते हैं, मम्मा छोड़ते हैं पापा पकड़ लेते हैं. So 24/7 he's being pampered by everyone in the house.
Okay, now back to the game.
Yes.
Romantic movies or horror thriller?
I don't like horrors, but I like thrillers. So thrillers.
बाहर का खाना और घर का खाना?
घर का खाना anytime.
Cozy dinner outing or a movie outing?
Depends who am I with. If there's somebody I really don't want to talk to, so I'm like, chalo, let's watch a movie. So, there'll be less to talk and less to interact. But if there's someone I want to kind of interact with and have a fun time, it'll be a more of a personal dinner.
Okay. Pizza or burger?
None. I'm not allowed any, okay? I can just have eggs, boiled eggs. Maybe kiss.
Okay. Phone in bathroom or no phones?
Phone because I like to listen to music like 24 hours in the day.
Okay. Another food related question. Ice cream or cake? Since you
I
are a
like
dessert
food,
person.
but I'm not allowed to have any.
Okay. Vacation or a staycation?
Vacation.
Okay. Cooking food or ordering?
No, I'm very bad at cooking. I have a lot of kitchen mishaps, so I would rather prefer ordering food.
Okay. Are you a calling person or a texting person?
Again, depends on who the person is. If it's somebody close and somebody who I can be the unfiltered self and I don't have to think a lot while talking to, it's of course calling. I always prefer, talking like that. Otherwise, if someone की एक थोड़ा एक लिमिट है एक फिल्टर है, then of course texting.
Sleeping with the bedroom door closed or open?
No, closed. Always closed.
Lights on or off?
Off. Like pitch dark.
Okay. Couch potato or a fitness freak?
These days I've started being a fitness freak. I was never a couch potato actually. I've always either been studying, working. So yeah, fitness freak.
Talking or listening?
Both in equal proportions. सही मात्रा में दोनों चीजें का मिश्रण मुझे पसंद है.
looks matter or personality matters?
Personality, definitely.
Okay, that was the game. Ashnur, thank you for playing this game with us. And any message for fans before signing off?
I would just want to say that we finally overpowered the coronavirus almost, but it's still not completely eradicated. So please take your precautions, stay safe. I hope all of the people who are eligible for a vaccination have gotten themselves vaccinated. Uh, and yes, things are opening back. We're getting back to normal. So enjoy this, taking the safety precautions, love the environment, love animals, love your parents. And now that we are approaching the end of this year, I hope you have a great, great new year. And it blooms with many new opportunities for you.
Thank you so much, Ashnur, for being with us. Wish you all the best.
Thank
Good
you.
luck for
Thank you.
future endeavors. All the
Thank you so
best.
much.
Bye.
Thank you for
See you
having me.
again.
Bye bye.